So it's a beautiful day here in Maine. My old lady's gone. I'm home alone. I'm going to try and impress her, clean up the house a little bit. But I don't really do housework very good, so I'm going to do it my way. Our living room rug's a little bit old and scurvy looking, so it's time to clean it up. Let's see what I can do. Oh, by the way, I'm Dave. Welcome to Hammered Ironworks. So this channel's coming together pretty good. I'm enjoying still doing this stuff. I've been looking at what YouTube's been telling me to how to be a better person, a better YouTuber. They're telling me I've got some good subscribers, but my needle's a little bit low in my watch hours. Right here we got subscribers, right here we got watch hours. Look at that little needle, that baby's low. We gotta ramp that up. So I've got this plan. Come here. At nighttime, click on the link below in this video. You can watch all my episodes from the start. You don't need to watch them. Go to bed. They won't know. Gets me the watch hours. Crack the code. Anyway, on with this episode. I know it's not metalworking. It's another shop project, but I had fun with it, so here it is. And there's not much I like to use in this closet right here. Oh, look at this. Some sort of deep, cleany thingy with some bristles. Oh boy. Wonder how many horsepower this is. You can probably see exactly what's going on right about now. Seven horsepower, Subaru, racing fuel. So if you look, the colors just aren't bright anymore. I think I see a little bit of rawhide chew where my dog kind of sat here and ate a bone the other night. Anyway, it's time to tune it up. Rug soap. 7 horsepower of rug cleaning power. Soap nozzle. Pressure washer time. So what I know about pressure washing rugs is they get heavy. H-E-A-V-E-E. Heavy. I'm just gonna let it drip dry for a little bit and then maybe I can manage this monster. Then I gotta hang it to dry. I gotta get this thing spun round for proper drying. She'll never dry if I don't get her hung right. Yeah! It's okay, I got it. She gonna work okay now, I hope. Got some dollies under my ladder, now I can wheel the old girl around. Yeah, we got it. It's okay. We'll just put her in here where the old lady parks, and that way it can dry out. Two full days with a fan on and the heat on down here to dry this thing out. But it's clean and it's dry. Now we got to get it upstairs before the old lady comes home. I'll surprise her. See what happens. It's okay, we got it, we got it. Got it, got it. So I've got it rolled out, but it's a little bit bumpy. I gotta use a vacuum and try to unbumpy it. mean, I think it's looking better. Did it. So all in all, it's laying a little bit more flat now. It's just so much cleaner now. It doesn't smell like my dog. Anyway, what really matters is if my old lady is impressed with what I did around the house. Oh baby, did I do a good job?
Oh my gosh, you did such a good job on the first thing ever that you've cleaned in the house.
Thanks. Hey, don't forget to stay cheap, cheesy, and crafty. We'll see you in the next episode.